Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, we are going to talk about guys Facebook application setting, and today's video title is guys how to turn off birthday notification on Facebook account. Friends, on your Facebook account you don't want to use any birthday notification on your Facebook account ID. So friends, now let's see how to turn off birthday notification on Facebook. One by one we will talk about. First of all guys, we will turn on Facebook application in mobile. So after turn on Facebook application friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook application. Friends, on your Facebook application you don't want to use any notification, birthday notification. So friends, first of all you will have to turn on your Facebook setting and privacy option. Friends, tap here and setting we will turn on. After turn on setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook. So friends, on your Facebook personal detail setting you can use password and security setting you can use your Facebook setting here. So friends, third option notification setting, we will tap on notification. After tap on notification friends, you can see comment notification, tag notification, reminder notification, more activity about you, update from friends notification you want to use. So you can use from here, you can on and you can off. Friends, you can use friend request notification also. Friend request notification you can off and you can on it. So friends, you can see birthday notification setting. If you tap here, so you can use your birthday notification on your Facebook account. So friends, you can see here for an example friends, you can see suppose your friend birthday. So friends, you can see has a birthday today, wish her the best wishes. You want to wish it, so you can wish you. Friends, you can see these are notification about your friend's birthday. Here any example. Allow notification on Facebook you don't want to use, so you can turn off. And friends, you can see your turn off birthday notification. After turn off friends, you cannot use birthday notification on your Facebook account. If you tap here, so friends, birthday notification will not show on your Facebook account. Now friends, you cannot use any your friend birthday notification on your Facebook account. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, do you have any problem on your Facebook setting? So friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.